This is a question from data structures. Which open addressing technique is free from clustering problems? We have linear probing, quadratic probing, double hashing, rehashing. So in linear probing, when a collision occurs, we look into the next available place to place the object. Whereas in quadratic probing, we use a quadratic function to try and place the object in the next available place. Whereas in double hashing it is a technique used in conjunction with open addressing in which the hash table is resolving the hash collisions. It uses a secondary hash of the key as an offset when collision occurs. Now, there are two types of clustering. One is primary clustering and the other one is secondary clustering. So first one is primary clustering and the other one is secondary clustering. In primary clustering, it is one of the major failure modes of open addressing based hashing tables, and it is usually seen in linear probing. It occurs after a hash collision causes two of the records in the hash table to hash to the same position and causes one of the record to move to the next location in its probe sequence. This is the primary clustering scenario. Whereas in secondary clustering, it occurs generally with both quadratic probing and linear probing, in which the probe sequence is independent of the key as well as the hash chaining. So, double hashing is a technique which is free from both primary as well as secondary clustering. So, the double hashing technique is free from clustering problems. Option C is the correct answer.